Hello guys and welcome back to another video, and today I'm at Liverpool South Parkway, where you're going to be seeing services from Northern, Avanti West Coast, London North Western Railway, Transport for Wales and East Midlands Railway. So yeah, let's get into the video. Passing through now is an Avanti West Coast service from Liverpool Lime Street to London Euston. Arriving in now is the 1302 East Midlands Railway service from Liverpool Lime Street to Nottingham. The front is 158785. And we will get the rear as it departs. Departing out now is the 1302 East Midlands Railway service from Liverpool Lime Street to Nottingham. The rear is 158854. Arriving now is the 1305 Transport for Wales service from Chester to Liverpool Lime Street. (158,829). Crossing out now is the 1305 Transport for Wales service from Chester to Liverpool Lime Street. Arriving now is the 1309 Northern service from Manchester Oxford Road to Liverpool Lime Street, which is 15136. Arriving on the right is the 1310 Northern service from Liverpool Lime Street to Manchester Oxford Road, which is 156. Departing out now is the 1309 Northern service from Manchester Oxford Road to Liverpool Lime Street. Starting out now is the 1310 Northern service from Liverpool Lime Street to Manchester Oxford Road. 56455. Passing through now is an Avanti West Coast service from London Euston to Liverpool Lime Street. £390,151. Arriving now is the delayed 13:15 East Midlands Railway service from Norwich to Liverpool Lime Street. The front is 158858. And the rear is 165415. Arriving now is the 13:18 London North Western Railway service from Liverpool Lime Street to Birmingham New Street. The front is 35406. And we will get the rear as it departs. Departing out now is the 13:18 London North Western Railway service from Liverpool Lime Street to Birmingham New Street. The rear is 35120. Coming out now is the delayed 13:15 East Midlands Railway service from Norwich to Liverpool Lime Street. And arriving in behind it is the 13:18 London North Western Railway. Arriving in here is the 13:32 London North Western Railway service from Birmingham New Street to Liverpool Lime Street. Didn't get the front, but I will get the rear as it departs. Departing out now is the 13:32 London North Western Railway service from Birmingham New Street to Liverpool Lime Street. The rear is 35255. Arriving now is the 13:38 Northern service from Liverpool Lime Street to Manchester Oxford Road. (150-121) is the front. And we will get the rear as it departs. Arriving in now is the 1339 Northern service from Manchester Oxford Road to Liverpool Lime Street. £156,460. Starting out now is the 1338 Northern service from Liverpool Lime Street to Manchester Oxford Road. The rear is 151.45. Starting out now is the 1339 Northern service from Manchester Oxford Road to Liverpool Lime Street. Arriving now is the 1346 Transport for Wales service from Liverpool Lime Street to Chester, which is 158,829. Right now is the 1346 Transport for Wales service from Liverpool Lime Street to Chester. Passing through now is an Avanti West Coast service from Liverpool Lime Street to London Euston. And that was the return of 391.51. And that is going to be the final train of this video. So if you have enjoyed this video, then please leave a like down below and subscribe to my channel to see more videos just like this one, and comment down below any stations you want me to visit. So yeah, thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.